Yow man, my name is Frick, and today we have some bricking news. They're finally here, the Avengers BRICCS. Today we'll be looking at what to expect from these heroic boys. So we have 4 bars, each based off a character. We got Iron Man, the Hulk, Captain America, and my boy, Thor. Let's look at the Iron Boy first, the Stark Cleanse. This is a 0 grit bar with blazing star extract as its highlighted ingredient, which I believe is like a lavender plant. Other unique ingredients include ironwood extract and red pepper extract. The scent is called Armored Avenger, but less vaguely the notes are described as rich, woodsy scents of amber and saffron. Overall, this one sounds interesting, and I think it could be one of the better scents in the bundle. Next up, let's look at the Hulk Boy, the Scrub Smash. This is a heavy grit bar with gamma amino acid as its highlighted ingredient. Other ingredients include all heel extract and green rhyolite, the latter of course providing the grit. The scent is called Jade Giant, but the notes are described as fresh cucumber and green spice. The scent of this one sounds interesting and kind of makes me think of the legendary Lather. There is of course also the Captain America boy, the Liberty Lather. This is a light grit bar with water shield as its highlighted ingredient. We also have serviceberry extract and pumice for the grit. The scent is Super Soldier, and the notes are citrus and cedarwood. That's interesting because that sounds like this boy may be trying to replace the old OG cedar citrus scent. If so, hopefully it does it right this time. And last, but certainly not least, is the Thor Boy, the Divine Storm. This is a medium grit bar with its highlighted ingredient listed as Stonebreaker, which I believe is an herb. We also have golden apple extract and cool tankard extract. There is also pumice for the grit. The scent is God of Thunder, and the notes are spice and musk. This is the bar I'm most excited for, as Thor is my favorite superhero, but that aside, this brick does sound very interesting. The 4 bars of course come in a collector's box, which will run you $38, but you can also get the collection without the box for $32, so you save $6. However, thankfully, these are also available in the subscription individually, so you can mix and match all you like and save some money. I'm glad they aren't doing the Star Wars and Batman method of forcing you to buy the collector's box each time. So these are available now for subscribers and will otherwise launch on Friday. Let me know if you'll be getting the Avengers BRICCS. Which one are you most excited about? As always, Frick Nation, stay nifty.